You can republish your tour at any time in order to update your published URL with any changes you've made inside your tour editor. Please note, there is no need to unpublish your tour in order to republish. When choosing to republish, you can either reuse your tour's existing URL, or you can generate a new URL for your republished tour. To adjust the Reuse Published URL option, you will need to log into your EyeSpy360 account. Next, head to the Settings tab in your account dashboard. Under the heading Account, you will see the Reuse Published URL checkbox. When selected, this will ensure your tour will use the existing URL when republished. When unselected, this will generate a brand new URL for your tour when republishing. Choose which option you prefer, and then click Save Changes to update your settings. This will then be applied to all future tours you republish. You can modify this option at any time. To republish your tour, head over to the Tours tab in your account dashboard and click on the tour you wish to republish. This will open your tour editor. Double-click on the donut-shaped image you wish your tour to start on. This will open 360 view. Position your screen in your desired starting position, such as facing the front door. This will be the view your clients first see when they open your tour. Once you've chosen a starting view, click the blue Publish button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will republish your tour and update it with your changes. When complete, the Publish window will appear with the message Tour published successfully, confirming your tour has been successfully updated.